Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and we're flying a bunch of planes here at Deer Creek Park at the TORKS RC field, and I got my E-flite A-10 out here. We're just having a great time. The sun is up in the sky, but we're flying down here away from it, and there's a light breeze. Man, it is just a beautiful morning. It's starting to warm up a little bit since the sun came out this morning. It was chilly. But let's get the A-10 up in the air and see how it does. All right, guys, we got to take off towards the sun, but we'll circle around quick and fly down here. And in fact, let's back taxi a little bit. Let's back taxi and we'll get it in the air by the time it gets to me, hopefully. And that way I'm not looking at the sun very long. Let's go one click on the flaps. Let's do it. There we go. Put that gear up, flaps off. We'll bring it around here on the wrong side one time. So I feel like I need to go to low rates. Let's try that. I feel a little better. Just having fun, but it is diving, so let's do a little bit of up elevator trim. Let's see what happens when I let go. It's still diving. Let's turn it around. All right, let's bring it by one more time. See if it levels out for me. I did push that battery back as far as I could. So not too bad there. Much better roll. Here we go, gear going down. And we'll try to get it touched down before it gets to me this time. Here we go, full flaps as I turn the corner. Well, it was right in front of me, but we'll take it. I was trying not to turn towards the sun, but nice thing is this one does turn quickly. Somebody commented about the size of the runway being like 53 feet wide and like 900 feet long or something. It's big, I can say that. So guys, man, big thanks to the Lord for just providing a beautiful day to get out here and enjoy this hobby. I really appreciate all your guys' support. Everybody leaves great comments and always saying they like the video. You know the drill. Guys, I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.